If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family, we are talking today in our challenge video, and I know this kind of is weird when we get into the topic and discuss it a little bit. It might not seem like a challenge really of what we're looking at or talking about, because most of our challenge videos have been doing something that produces an image, a photograph. Today we are going to suggest and challenge each other in creating a board that pushes us to level up, or something which we have done, which we were leveling up and we have achieved. So the board I'm going to call attaining, or to attain, is pushing us to level up. And leveling up to this standard of whether it be lighting or a product we can't quite get, or an ability of trying to sell something or another, there's some aspect that we want to be able to level up our skill to. That goes on your attain board. The other side of the same board or a new board, I'm going to call achieved. And that is where you put your images that you have achieved, the look, the lighting, the style, whatever it is, in that shot. And you will be able to use that and put it up as a little bit of a award to yourself that you did achieve what you were looking for creating. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing your comments, your thumbs up, so that other people can see the benefit of these videos. But also, if you're not yet a subscriber to our Photos family, we would love to add you to it. Thank you so much. God bless.